Okay guys, welcome to another episode of Chanda's Home Cooked Meals. Today I will be sharing with you another back to school recipe. We will be making a snickerdoodle. And if you don't know what snickerdoodle is, trust me, you will love it. Kids will love it. Hey, even mom and dad loves it. So let's get started on this easy recipe and I'll share with you the ingredients. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And please leave a comment. I would appreciate it. Okay, we'll get started. Okay guys, and for our snickerdoodles, the ingredients is going to be a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of shortening at room temperature, 2 eggs, 1½ cup of granulated sugar, 2 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and here we have 1½ teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/4 of teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Okay guys, now we'll be adding our butter and our shortening and our sugar, and we're going to get this mixed up until it's well incorporated. And we're going to start off slow and we're going to speed it up. Okay, now we're going to add our 2 eggs. Okay guys, now that we have got our butter, our shortening, and our sugar and our eggs well combined, we're going to sift our flour and dry ingredients. Which is our flour, our salt, our cream of tartar, and our baking soda. We just kind of want to sift that in. Okay guys, now that we've got our flour, baking soda, and salt added, we're just going to get this mixed up. And then once we get to this point here, we're just going to add in our teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and we just want to scrape down our sides. Okay, and then we're going to turn this back on for a few seconds. We do not want to overmix this, just make sure everything is combined. Okay, and I think that is good. We're going to get this turned off. And this is the kind of consistency we want. See, it's not too runny. Okay guys, now once we have our dough made, then we're gonna wrap it up in some plastic wrap. And I just kind of like to lay our 2 layers of it, kind of like overlapping each other. Okay, so we have 1. And 2. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to get our cookie dough on the Glad wrap or plastic wrap. Okay, and once we have got all our cookie dough on our Glad wrap, we're just going to wrap it like so. And we're going to chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight would be better. Ta-da! Okay guys, we have already made our cookie dough. We have let it chill for 24 hours. And we're going to get it unwrapped and we're going to get these delicious cookies made. Okay guys, our 3 tablespoons of sugar we're going to add to this bowl, along with our tablespoon of cinnamon. And we're just going to combine the 2. Okay, and it should kind of look like this. And then we're gonna just set that to the side. Okay guys, we have our cookie pan here. We're just gonna set that to the side. And we're just gonna take a cookie scooper the size of this. Okay, and if you guys don't have one of these, all you need to do is just take off a piece of dough and roll your dough into 1.5 inch balls for your cookies. Okay, so we're gonna get it started here. We're gonna kind of chop down into our dough. We're gonna get a ball like this here, and we're just gonna roll it. Okay, and then we're gonna take our brown sugar and cinnamon mix, and we're just gonna drop it in there, and we're just kind of roll it around like so. Same thing. Roll it. Drop it in our cinnamon and sugar mixture, and we can just roll it around. Take it out, and we're gonna put it like 2 inches away from each other. Maybe like 2 inches space between each cookie. Guys, and I'll get these finished rolled out and coated with our cinnamon and sugar mixture, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, and I'll just finish getting my cookie dough rolled out, and while we're rolling these out, we're going to go ahead and get our oven preheated to 375. Okay guys, I have finished rolling out my cookie dough. I have preheated my oven to 375, and I'm going to pop these in the oven for 10 minutes or until golden brown, and once they're done, I'll be back to show you the finished product. Okay guys, and here is our finished cookies. These look so yummy. They smell delicious. I just wish you had smell-o-vision. Okay guys, and these are our Snickerdoodles. I mean, look at that. I wish you really had smell-o-vision. These things smell so delicious. My kids were wondering, Mom, what are you making? Snickerdoodles. You guys are gonna have these for snack this week? They're loving that. So I'm telling you, give this recipe a try. Ask questions if you have questions. I'm telling you, give this recipe a try. Your family's gonna love them, I promise you. These cookies are delicious. And a little tip is anytime you're making fresh homemade cookies, is when you store them, is putting a slice of bread or two in the container that you're storing them in, and it'll help keep the cookies soft for a couple of days. So that's a little tip for you. It really works, I promise you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, guys. Again, this is another back to school recipe, and I love bringing these to you. I have kids of my own, so you guys know what do we do? We're here to make our families happy, but at the same time make things a little bit easier. So I promise you, your kids are gonna love these. You're gonna love them. So I'm gonna give them a try. These are so good, so good. I promise you, you're gonna love them. Again, the recipe's gonna be left in the description box. Let me know what you think, okay? And until next time, I'll see you. Have a good day.